Jaba.
Ukoje?
Niko Jaba leo.
Uko Jaba leo? Na siwasalimia hata kama uko Jaba. So guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Claudia, works for those who are new here. And guys, I'm coming live from Islii at night, man. Oh, the place is so congested, man. So guys, it's around 8 p.m. here in Islii. Guys, look at how the place looks like. Oh, man. It's well lit. People operating businesses at this hour. Oh, still traffic jam. People walking up and down. Yeah, some beautiful shoes over there. So guys, let's keep on walking around as we get to know or see how Islii looks like at night. Oh, look at this beautiful matatu here. It's a bus. Means of transport, man. Hey. Means of transport here in Kenya. We call them Ganya, whole matatu. Yes, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh. Islii at night. People still working, operating their businesses at this time. I think most of the malls are closed. Oh. The malls have been closed. People have moved out from the malls to operate around this.
No. You're coming from here. Hey, come.
Yes.
Give me some picture there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, yeah.
So tell them we are coming live at night in Islii.
Yeah, I'm at it. The English has lost.
Oh, the English has lost.
I'm at Islii. Yeah, the business here is very good. Yeah, and we are blessed yet.
Oh, guys.
Too much jam today.
Too much traffic jam here in Islii.
Yes.
And guys, bear in mind that it's around 8 p.m.
Yeah.
It's around 8 p.m. and
it's very busy.
Yeah, very busy.
Yeah.
Okay, what can you advise someone who wants to visit Islii at this time? Nitawa translate here. What can you advise someone who wants to visit Islii at this time?
Since we come here. Yeah. The business is quite good. Yeah.
Oh, is Islii safe at this time?
Yeah.
Oh, so as I walk.
It's very tight.
So as I walk around, I'm safe.
Yeah, you are safe.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if anything happens to me, I'm coming for you.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, hi. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, what is that for?
Oh, you're looking good, man.
No.
Guys, this is Islii at night and I'm just walking around. Not TikTok, we are on YouTube. Yeah, say hi to my fans. Don't be shy. Oh, sorry. Hello? So it's at night. You can see. Oh, thank you. What are you eating? Oh, this guy is trying to eat. I don't know the name of this thing. Yeah? You don't know the name? Yeah. How does it taste?
I don't know. It's tasting
good.
Tasteless.
What's your name?
I'm Tom.
You are Tom, eh? You sell shoes. So guys, we have, I don't know what's the name of this place. If you come to Islii, make sure you promote he has night shoe. Oh, I'm not trying to promote like a brand or what, but look at this shoe. Make sure you come and support Tom, isn't it? Tell my fans something.
I have nothing to say.
You have nothing to say. Even tell them to subscribe.
And like.
Sawa, Tom. Oh, so guys, this is Islii at night, man. Look at all the place is so congested. I like about this place at night, the lights are okay. Oh, which route do I follow? Let me use this route, right? Thank you. Let me pass over here. So, one thing I like about this street, the lights are okay. You can see me, and it's around 8 p.m. man. Walking around, people are operating their businesses like it's in the daytime.
What's that?
YouTube.
I can talk to you. This is a YouTube?
Yes, it's a YouTube.
Oh, okay.
You want to say hi to my fans?
Hi. Are you okay?
They are okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So continue your job.
Thank you. Thank you. So guys, you can see that still the traffic jam continues. I don't know when it will end. Hi. I don't know how long will it take for this traffic jam to end, but I think I should close on the other side. Hi.
Bye.
Hey. Asante. So I want to go on the other side because this place is a bit congested, and I can't afford to squeeze myself there because of the motorbikes. I don't know whether I'll get a chance to cross. I want to go onto the other side of the road because the traffic there is not that much like here. Yes, let's go now. So make sure to subscribe if you are watching for the first time. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. I need to be careful, man. Yeah. Coming live from the street of Islii at night. I'm alone and I know I'm safe. What is it, madam? YouTube. So guys, I'm waiting for the motorbikes to pass so that I can go onto the other side. Oh, let me use this route. Yeah, guys. Look at how Islii is at night. We have a matatu here. Public means of transport here in Kenya, Africa. Nice one. Oh, Jamaica, how are you?
Are you going down?
No, you are Team Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica too.
Oh, boy.
I'm from Jamaica. No. Hi.
I'm going to message.
Okay. So guys, this is Islii at night. Look at those border people, riders over here. Oh. I have to be careful with my cameraman. Guys, the lighting here are very, very much okay. And I'm loving everything about this street. I just want to pass on the other side so that I can go to that car route. People still operating their businesses at that time. People still pulling, are they pushing up, pulling? Yes, their carts. Yeah. I don't know how I will get to cross on the other side, guys. Yeah, this is Islii at night, man, and I'm enjoying. Yeah, now let's cross. Yeah, it's now okay. Crazy night here in Islii. I don't know whether they operate 24/7. I don't know if they normally operate like 24/7, but I think because this is a business center.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. because this is a business center. I think that's why they are operating at this time. So let's keep on walking around, guys. Even Somali ladies, guys, are operating at this time, man. Oh. So let's walk, guys. So the good thing, guys, I just blocked my front camera. Oh, you good there? So guys, the reason why, oh, people are calling me, guys, and you know it's at night. I can't risk, man. So I'm walking out of this street. Look good. Hi. How are you? Your name?
My name is Chris.
You look good.
Thank you.
So I'm walking in the streets of Islii at night. Do you normally operate at like 24/7?
No.
What time do you operate here?
Like 6 hours from 4:30
to 3.
To 9.
Okay, but I can see it's around, I don't know the time, but people are still on the streets.
Yeah. 24 hours.
24 hours, really?
Yes.
But is Islii safe at this moment?
Yes.
Oh, guys, I didn't know that, man. And guys, the reason why I'm thinking Islii is safe at this time is because I'm still walking around, interacting with people, and people are so nice at this time, guys. Yeah. So if you want to come in Islii, I don't know how you can, I don't know how to put it, but just come, behave well. Islii is so good. Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome.
I'm Claudia, works to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So Islii is money. Sawa sawa, Islii is market of money. Yes. Sawa. Oh, that lady is so happy, man, to appear on TV. Oh. So let's keep on walking around, man. So overcrowded, populated, business are booming at this moment. Guys, look at this. 8 p.m. It's almost 8:30. At night, people have just woken up. From the people who have been interacting with, they have said that they work from 3 p.m. to, I don't know, it's 24/7. Unatoa maoni?
Wanasema aje?
Wanasema uambie Islii kuko aje at this time.
Sisi tuko hapa tunapambana tu.
Waongeleshe Kiingereza.
Kiingereza sijui.
Ongea Kiswahili ndio watranslate.
Nasemaje?
Yes.
Sisi tuko tu hapa. Tunang'ang'ana tu tunangojea wateja.
They are here waiting for the customers.
Saa hii unajua ni ile msimu ya kimbikimbi yani.
Oh, it's a rush hour, man, here in Islii at this time.
Ndio tunawangojea sasa, masaa ndio hiyo. Kuendelea mpaka saa 4, saa 5, saa 6 hivi.
So you operate 24/7?
Si ndio hiyo?
Hey,
na tukiendelea mpaka saa 8.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So what can you advise someone who wants to visit Islii at this time?
Hakuna shida, wakuje, tuko wengi, tumejaa.
Oh. So Islii is safe?
Kabisa, hakuna shida kabisa.
No. Oh, that's
security
good.
iko sawa.
Okay. That's nice. Say hi. Thank you.
I'm okay.
You're okay? Okay, guys. Did I say that one thing I like about this Islii is about the lighting? Look at the lightings, man. That's why they normally operate 24/7. And I'm happy to be here. Bro, are you happy to be here too?
I'm happy to be here.
Come on this side because of the... You're happy to be here too?
I'm happy to be here too.
Yeah. What can you advise someone who wants to visit this place at this time?
At this time? Watu wakuje, wanunue nguo.
Oh, come in Islii, buy clothes.
Nguo kila type.
every type of clothes you can get here.
You can get here at this time. Security got tight. Yeah.
Okay, if I may ask, like I can see you operating from outside the malls. Yeah. Okay, how is it? How does it feel? Do you have any challenges you normally face working around this street?
Challenges lazima zikuwe kwa sababu tunafunguanga jioni saa 10.
You normally open the business at either 3 or 4.
Sababu hawezi fungua kama malls zimefunguliwa.
Oh, you can't open while the malls are open.
Yes.
So guys, you have to wait for the malls to be open so that you can come outside and operate from along this road.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, any challenges you face apart from that?
Yeah, challenges is kanjo.
Kanjo?
Yeah.
The city kanjo guys,
yes. Ukifungua kabla hujaenda, utakuja ushikiwe mzigo wako nikipelekwa kwa ofisi, unalipia. Unaona?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh guys, at least even if they are living happy operating their business at this time, they still have those challenges, man. But let's hope.
Sawa.
Poa sana. Uko fiti?
Iko sawa kabisa.
Wasalimia hapa iko?
Salama na salamu yenye yote. Wafiana iko mzuri sana, hakuna shida.
Oh, wasalimia Kisomali uishi Ramadhani mzuri.
Ramadhani iko mzuri sana. Alhamdulillah. Mvua inanyesha. Riziki iko. Kila kitu iko sawa.
Yes.
Hakuna shida.
Hakuna shida.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. So, guys, I will try to translate. So, huko Islii naona mnatembea ni usiku. Hamuogopi?
Sisi hakuna shida, iko salama.
Oh, Islii is safe.
Iko salama kabisa sisi. Nauza hapa nguo kama hii. Iko sawa, hakuna shida.
Hakuna shida yote. There is no problem. They are operating their business so well.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah.
Kuongelesha Kisomali pale wa wish well.
Wa degannahay waa nabad qabnaa. Darkaygaan gadanaa, miisas baa meesha noo yaalo. Wax dhibihi ma jiraan. Soo dhawaada idinkuna ku soo dhawaada. Basharada ka soo qayb gala. Fayeen BD. Dadaala. shaqaysta waa shaqaysanayna anaga alxamdulillaah dib ma jiro waa barwaaqasanay rabadaankana si fiican baan u soonnay alxamdulillaah ilaahay inta ka dhiman hana gaarsiiyo nabadana ugu gaarsiiyo waana idin salaamaya in badan soo dhawaado
oh thank you so much mami thank you so much naitwa Claudia pale kwa YouTube unajua YouTube ya naitwa Claudia Walk Claudia Walk
oh Claudia Walks
walks ile ya kutembea Claudia Walks
okay Claudia Walks
yes okay thank you
okay karibu mimi niko hapa
uko hapa niko hapa oh this lady is operating she is operating a business around here she's so nice man first time I'm meeting a lady who is so social in the streets of Islii oh this what she sells trouser jeans we have shirts everything that you want for ladies or for men oh if you come to Islii man just look at this beautiful lady man just promote him not him promote her sorry promote her if you are a man please just promote this beautiful lady. Yes. Okay, thank you so much.
Nikupatie namba yangu.
Nipatie namba yako.
0722.
Nipatie uko na card?
Hakuna card.
Oh 07 waambie pale ndio wakikuja at least wakupigiange simu.
0722.
Yes.
48 57 69.
Rudia tena.
0722.
Yes.
48 57 69.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, karibu tena.
Asante. Oh, guys, this is Islii at night. Islii operating at night. Yeah, it's so beautiful. And I'm happy to be here at this time.
Wewe unaishi wapi?
Mimi naishi place inaitwa Kitengela. Unakusikia? Najua. Yes. Lakini mimi natoka Jamaica. Okay. Lakini kwa sasa niko Kenya.
Okay.
Yes.
Karibu. Hapa ni day to day.
Hapa iko itwa day to day.
Today. Opposite ya today.
Oh, so guys, our business is opposite day to day. Yeah. Okay. Sawa. Oh, thank you. Unakaa vizuri.
Asante sana.
Haya. So guys, let's keep on walking as we enjoy this place. And guys, it's getting dark. It's getting dark, and I think I should go on to the other side. I had my video, then I go home. You know, the streets are getting busy at this time. I don't know whether I'm safe. Hello. How are you? You're good. Why do you fear the camera? Oh, this lady is so beautiful, man. Say hi, mommy.
Hi.
What's your name?
No.
Oh, I'm Claudia, works on YouTube. Imagine utaonekana kwa YouTube, kwa TV tena.
Okay, which TV?
Claudia Walks.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
Mami, hi. Aki mnakaa vizuri. Hi. Hi, mami. Don't say hi. Thank you so much. Unataka upelekwe TikTok pia? YouTube Claudia Walks. Yeah, TikTok pata. Sawa. So guys, let me cross on the other side. Oh, sorry for that. Habari zenu? Kasalama? Claudia Walks YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. So guys, people are running at me, ask me which TV is this, because they know that the journalists are on. Oh, sorry. The journalists are on the street at this time. But guys, guess what? I'm Claudia Walks. Hi. How are you? Yeah. Guys, Sasa. This guy knows me. He's trying to. I'm filming at this time. I want to know if it's me is safe at night. It's not. Really? It's safe. Oh, guys, he's calling me. He's trying to say that our bus is trying to get full and we have only one. So I have to get out of this street and go home. So guys, sawa twende unipeleke basi. Ngoja gari zipite. So guys, I think I should end my video at this time. I hope you have enjoyed. Tell a friend to subscribe. Road to 5,000 subscribe. So guys, I'm almost there. We are at 4,000. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Stand there. This guy has just seen me from a distance, and the guy has seen me from a distance, and he is like, oh, you're Claudia, what are you doing here in Islii at this time? Oh, this is the one I'm going to use to go at home. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.